The double-membrane aseptic filling process was first introduced in Australia and has been used in most countries around the world for over 25 years. There are well over 500 fillers using the technology to pack shelf-stable food products and aseptic medical solutions. The system consists of a bag filling machine that can be fed with bags either manually or in a web as part of an automatic process. The bags are supplied by the bag supplier pre-sterilized and ready for filling. Every bag has a 32mm fill gland on the outside face of the bag. Bags can have a capacity of 1 to 1,600 liters. The top membrane on the gland is fully sealed across the top of the gland on the outside of the bag. On the inside of the bag, the bottom membrane is only partially sealed across the bottom of the gland. To start the process, the bag gland is clamped onto the filling head. Before the fill starts, the machine sterilizes the cavity between the fill valve tip and the top membrane of the bag with steam at 295 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 seconds. This creates a log-4 sterility assurance level that can be validated by the FDA for low-acid shelf-stable production. The fill head valve has a cutter blade that advances after the sterilization and pierces the top membrane of the gland. The fill valve piston then withdraws into the fill head, allowing the sterile product to flow past the partially sealed bottom membrane and into the bag. After filling to the required accuracy, the bag stays clamped to the fill valve, and the bottom membrane on the gland is heat-sealed to the gland from below. The back wall of the bag does not seal to the membrane due to the different materials used in the construction of the bag and the membrane. At the same time as the sealing is occurring, the inside of the gland is cleaned of residual product by a high-pressure steam flush. The filled bag is then released by the filler for packing or is moved to a second station where a dispense tap or valve is attached. The unique advantage of the filling system is that it is a closed product transfer system. This means that sterile products like milk, coffee, and vegetable pulps, in fact any sterile liquids, can be safely and securely packed. The sterile product that is pumped to the filler is filled and sealed into the bag in that exact same condition. This means that the product being filled is never exposed to the outside atmosphere at any stage in the process. The product can then be transported without refrigeration and will maintain integrity, complying with all food safety requirements. Visit us online at www.torrindustries.com or call us today to learn more about our aseptic filling solutions.